take a look. So let me know in the comment section if you can hear me, if you can hear the music, if you can see the screen. Let me know, guys, as soon as you come in. Let me know, guys, if you can see me in the comments section. Make sure to smash up that like button on your way in. There's only 4 at the moment, so we're going to wait a few minutes until we're about 50 watching the stream, and we are going to go straight away. Check out Bitcoin, checking out Ethereum, checking out the DXY having a decent pump in the last couple of days. Very surprised about this. So yeah, are we going to get major rejection here? If we take a look at the 4 hourly, this was an ascending wedge breakout. Are we going to struggle here and bounce here from this support, turning it into resistance and coming back down? DXY looking pretty strong here on the 4 hourly. Hey Salish, how are you doing? Hey Andy, hello Philip, Joseph, hello. Asap, hi, hello. Senor Molino, hello Andy. Hi everything, all right, great, thank you. Hit the like, yes Joseph, thank you very much for the support and help me out here on this channel. Jorge, how are you doing? Colin, yep, all good. Minaro, hi Andy, all good, great Minaro. Cecil, smash the likes, guys. Yes, for sure. Thank you very much for the insane support that I'm getting here on the channel and the community. Louise back, hello. Colin, hi. Would you mind covering HOT at some point, please, Andy? Many thanks. Colin, we will take a look this straight away. Straight away. You are one of the first ones here for asking for an altcoin. I'll be doing my analysis afterwards. I want to be more concentrated on what you guys want to check out. So let's take a look at HOT, which is that Holochain? Yes. Right, let's zoom out here on HOT, see what we can see. Right. Well, it's not looking too bad. It seems like we have bottomed out here around about this support range. Okay, we were hitting it twice. We were talking about, you know, if we did lose this major support, then it wouldn't be looking too good. We just barely went below it and then got the bounce. So right, extremely overbought here on the daily. So yeah, we need to be a little bit cautious. Some type of correction will happen, I guess, here for Holo. Now, I do see a next major resistance point. I'll go through the comment section here quickly, guy. Bitcoin Cash. Yes, Bitcoin Cash. I have got a trade on Bitcoin Cash. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin Cash straight away. Bitcoin Cash will go over $4,000 in the future, guys. It is inevitable. I'm not sure if it's going to happen this year, next year. I don't know, but it will. It is faster. I'm sorry, guys. Bitcoin is the real Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash, it is faster than Bitcoin. It is not as secure as Bitcoin, but it is secure enough. It's very hard anyway to break the network of Bitcoin Cash. It is much faster and cheaper, so it is a better coin as cash than Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be the store of value. It can be the digital gold. Bitcoin Cash is extremely fast. Okay, so and most of the payment giants that are using that are accepting cryptocurrency, you know, such as PayPal and other ones, Square app, paying app, the first one they're going to get, apart from Ethereum, Bitcoin, it is going to be Litecoin. It's going to be Bitcoin Cash. It's going to be one of the OGs that are in the top 20. Right, okay, just continuing here with Holochain. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart and analyze the situation, because we did see a massive run up here. We've already seen the huge correction. So yeah, to become bullish here on Holochain, in my opinion, we should be breaking nicely there, 0.011 cents. Okay, this is when we will ultimately become super bullish on Holochain. Why are you asking me? Because then, yeah, we'll be changing the entire structure. This is going to confirm this potential double bottom scenario. We are pretty far away here. This one has to be the most beautiful Adam and Eve scenario that can happen here for a cryptocurrency. The other ones look a little bit dodgy, but this one looks beautiful. Look how we've had the sharp here, up and down, and then we're having the massive Eve round bottom. Absolutely insane. This is a clear Adam and Eve, massive round double bottom here, with the spike here being the Adam. Okay, if you are not familiar with the Adam and Eve, let me just get my trading patterns here out and just show you here quickly. This is, there's Adam and Adam, there's Eve and Eve, there's Adam and Eve. There's a couple of different double bottom types, and this one would be the Adam and Eve. You have a quick spike down and up, and then you have a massive round. The Eve is usually pretty extended in time also. So this one's very extended in time, massive round accumulation, double bottom, ready for a blast off. So if we do break out the major resistance here of 0.011 on Holochain, then the measured technical move is from the bottom to the resistance from the breakout, which should take us to the 0.017 cents, and this is going to be this resistance over here. So it is just about at this resistance. Bearish case scenario would be coming back down, okay, and retesting this support at the 0.0005 cents, 0.005 cents. But it is looking pretty good, okay. I think we will eventually climb up to this range. It does very much look like it. Now, let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that was Holochain for my man Colin. Senor Molino, Andy, could you take a look at RVN? Ravencoin has had a massive blast off. I've seen it on CoinMarketCap. I haven't checked out the charts here on TradingView, but yeah, it's had a massive run up for the last couple of days, definitely over 100%, and we just about breaking a major resistance point. It has broken today this major resistance. Let's take this symmetrical triangle out of the way because that already played out. Yeah, this is the 4 hourly. Let's zoom out here on the daily for 1 second. And yeah, I mean, Ravencoin, I remember seeing this cryptocurrency in the past. It did perform pretty well. Let's just zoom out here and take a look at another chart that has Ravencoin that has more data. No, we haven't got it here, but it did perform pretty well a few years back. Anyway, never mind. Let's just take a look here at the short-term analysis because that's what we want to focus on. Right, this is the daily chart. It would be pretty nice here to close at the daily chart where we at, or if we even pump higher, it would be even better. If we take a look at the 4 hourly, the 12 cents level, okay, zooming in, has been an insane support right over there. Just by bouncing twice, you can see it's been a super strong support. We actually bounced a third time right over there, and here we bounced a few more times, one there, one there. As soon as we broke this level, you got to think, okay, we've got some volume. As soon as we break it, I want to short this major structure because we've broken out of it, retesting it 4 times. So as soon as we had a bounce, but we did not arrive there. But if we did have a pull up all the way down here, it would be great for shorting, but we didn't. And now we broke it. Okay, eventually you don't want to short it after a huge extension of time, because this is a clear round accumulation ready for a pop, and this is what has happened right now. Now the good thing about this, bad thing about this, right, zooming in right over here. This could have also been like an Adam and Eve. This is the scenario that we are looking at on many cryptos. All right, like huge, massive double bottoms. The first bottom being super small, and then the second one being a massive round one. So you can see this one right over here. Okay, let's not count this wick. You can count it anyway, but there's this one right over here. And then you have a nice round accumulation bottom. So that's a clear, huge double bottom range, okay? Now we did have a retest, had a fake out over here, and now we currently had the blast off. So, and we are breaking out from major resistance. If we do get a pullback, okay, we are currently at 13.5 cents, 13.2 cents, sorry, on a Ravencoin. If we did come all the way back to 12 cents, I wouldn't mind placing along myself here. I think this is going to hold very, very nicely as support. But even though if we lose this range, we might have a fake out to the downside and hit the 11 cent range, which is also being major resistance. It should be holding very, very nicely as support if this happens. If this happens, you know, 11 in between 10 and 11 cents is going to be an extreme buy opportunity. Remember, we want to get in the market while we're correcting, not while we're having the massive pump. So yeah, this also could be counted as a double bottom scenario, and yeah, we could expect Ravencoin to come or almost to the 16 cents, almost to the 16 cents. In the next maybe not days, maybe a week or two, I think we definitely are going to see some type of sideways action and correction still very, very soon for Ravencoin. Let's hope that we are going to form like there is some volume kicking in. So yeah, also on the 1 hourly chart, we've got this massive volume hitting the resistance of 11 cents, just below 11 cents. So yeah, this is going to be backed up. If we do have this correction, we have a wall of money here that's going to be supported. We should be climbing back up again if we did come all the way back down. I'm not sure if you're going to have that opportunity. We might be coming down to the 12 cents zone and then bounce back up, or if we are lucky enough, we'll come down here and then have the bounce. That would be the scenarios that I'm looking for here for Ravencoin. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart here just quickly. Yeah, we are potentially maybe going to create some kind of pennant here or something. Be careful with these cryptos, they are extremely volatile. Be careful with yeah, low mid cap cryptocurrencies, because yeah, you can have massive candles in any direction. But anyway, that's the analysis for Ravencoin. It is looking pretty good, looking all right. I hope that we would be getting a correction pretty soon. That's what I've got for Ravencoin. Now let's take a look at right. Let's take a look at right, I'm lost here in the comment section. 1 second. Okay, Andy, what's going to happen here? Says Cecil, happened to BTC. We trading whole day between a trend from $45,400 and $46,000. Well, my take on BTC is that we just playing around here. We are in a kind of symmetrical triangle. Okay. It is a symmetrical triangle. We've had a leg up, but what I don't like is the volume. And I've been checking out some other exchanges. You know, this leg up hasn't had enough volume. So, if you ask me, I potentially think that this might break down because the volume is getting exhausted to the upside. We're going up, volume's going down. The volume is going up, but while we're coming down. So I think this is fighting the price action to the downside. Yeah, I think there's a more probability. Also checking out the 4 hourly chart, we do have these bearish divergence. This was mentioned on today's video on the 4 hourly chart. If we take a look at the 1 hourly chart, you can still see, you know, these bearish divergence playing out on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly, also on the daily. I'm not too concerned about the daily because a daily bearish divergence can take months to play out, just like it did in March and April. It played out in May in the end. So, but yeah, taking a look at the 1 hourly, you know, we're still kind of like in a downtrend. So yeah, on the 1 hourly, you know, taking a look at this chart here of Bybit, you know, I think it is most likely to break down, but we could break up and continue the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend here, and on the 1 hourly, 4 hourly, the trend is still going up. Okay, besides of corrections, I just think, you know, we should be having a correction maybe potentially before continuing to the upside. I wouldn't mind a correction. We can see also 42,500. 42,500 major level, 2 bounces here as resistance. We've got 2 bounces here as support. We've got one almost touching 42,600. So yeah, I think maybe a correction down to this level. We should be holding nicely, and if we do not hold nicely, $42,500 area, then $41,000, which would be, guys, zooming out here on this chart, it would be here. Taking a look at the 4-hourly, the resistance turning into support. This, I don't think that this is a fake out. We are pretty far away from, you know, this major resistance, and yeah, we bounced 3 times. I do think if we do have this severe correction, yeah, $40,000 area, okay, plus minus 1,000, should be holding nicely. You know, this is also one of the scenarios that I'm looking at, sorry, this bump and run scenario. This has been mentioned here for ages. I do think so. It is still going to play out. And note that the price, depending on when we're going to drop, if it's next week or in 2 weeks, we could still even come down to $36,000 and still bounce at this major support level from this bump and run. So yeah, don't worry if we do drop a few $1,000s. Let it go. It is going to be a buying opportunity, in my opinion. A lot of people talking about this being a potential bull trap, but my experience, you know, what I know about bull traps is that it happens pretty fast, okay, pretty fast after a severe drop in a bull market, converting it into a bear market. So you don't have sorry guys, you don't have a huge consolidation phase and then have the bull trap, in my opinion. I mean, this could be different. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, but I'm definitely more bullish than bearish, just because the way we have consolidated here and had this leg up. You know, we are looking for some potential consolidation correction before continuing. Eventually, we're not going to go straight up here to $55,000-$60,000. We are looking for some potential pullbacks now, especially with this 4-hourly bearish divergence and the daily one. Sorry guys, let me go through comment section quickly. Hello, Andy says Bonaventure. Hello, how are you doing? Desmanta, hello. Philip, bearish divergence daily chart BTC. Yes, exactly. Also, we're just about talking about this also on the daily chart. But guys, don't be yeah, I wouldn't worry about these bearish divergence yet, because we could perfectly get above this high. Okay, we are just barely doing bearish divergence on the daily. Yeah, it's so not significant. The 4-hourly and is more significant right now in the short term. The daily could play out here for ages, because yeah, just a quick example, you know, if we could zoom out here on the chart, you know, well, these bearish divergences were much more powerful. You know, the timing was far away also than this one, but you can see these bearish divergences right over here. Okay, you do have this major correction in the middle, so yeah, it would, you know, we could still have this correction there, and then have a correction right over here. It could happen, but the trend would still be to the upside, in my opinion. Okay, we would still, you know, just have a drop here on the RSI and the price, and then have another major leg up, in my opinion. We'll be checking this out in the next coming days. Send BTC to 48k, says 7. Yes, of course, we are trying, yes. Abdul Raham says, hey Andy, keep rocking. Thank you very much for the support, Abdul Raham. Anna, hi Andy. Carver, please. Yes, we'll take a look at Carver here for Anna. Right. Let's see where. I think I haven't never done analysis on Carver. I think. Maybe yes, maybe no. Well, we have done something. Right, quick analysis on Carver, and I'll be going quickly through the comments section. Right. Well, this is a very complicated chart. Very choppy. a clear fight in between bulls and bears. Now, you know, the only thing that I analyzed from Carver was these higher lows right over there, which seems like they are playing out very, very nicely to the upside. Was this a symmetrical triangle? Was this like a symmetrical triangle right over there? And yeah, this could potentially be a symmetrical triangle, and we should be coming higher here for Carver. Yeah, we just by looking at this symmetrical triangle, this impulsive move could have a correction, but we could see the all-time highs for Carver here at almost $8, just because of this pattern breakout to the upside. Yeah, so that's just a quick analysis. You know, most bearish case scenario would be coming back down to the $4 range here, retesting this resistance into support before we get another major bounce to the upside. Now, bullish case scenario would be taking a look at the 1 hourly here for Carver. Yeah, it seems like the price is getting a little bit exhausted. You could potentially say, you know, that, you know, from this bottom bit, we've had like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're potentially having an ABC correction here for Carver. You know, we've already created 3 peaks here. Some type of correction would be very, very likely here for Carver. Maybe $5. And yeah, this is perfect down to $5. $5 might be a very, very strong support. We have had a bounce here as resistance and as support, as you can see, exactly at the $5. So it is a nice round number, just exactly the $5. If we did manage to come all the way back down here, then yeah, I think this might be an ABC correction, potentially getting close to the number 1 wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yeah, it would make sense to have a cool off here before continuing up. But yeah, it's looking very, very bullish here. Looking at the 4 hourly, we can clearly see that we are gaining strength here from this higher low structure and breaking out from this lower highs resistance point. So yeah, looking pretty good. Carver can hit all-time highs in a matter of weeks, potentially. Yeah, in bearish case scenario would be coming down to $4. I think $4 should be holding very, very nicely. Right. Hi Andy, says Alvaro. Hello, how are you doing? Cecil, let's get it to 100 in first 10 minutes. Smash the like buttons. Yeah, there's only 8 people watching at this moment, so 100 is going to be a little bit difficult. But yeah, definitely at least in half an hour we can get to 100 likes. Hello Andy, Alice, please, thank you in advance, says Tornado. Let's take a look at Alice. Alice, my neighbor. I have no idea still what this cryptocurrency is. Right, we can see here symmetrical, a kind of symmetrical triangle. There were 2 scenarios here that we were looking at for Alice, and one was a potential symmetrical triangle. Okay, very, very choppy. There was no clear breakout. We were kind of breaking out to the downside, but we were also saying about this scenario right over here, which is a descending triangle, or a descending wedge, if you wish. Very, very difficult, guys. You know that the mid-cap coins, I am a little bit cautious on trading and doing analysis on this because they are really, really difficult to analyze. You could finally discuss that this has been a descending wedge. We did say before on the channel, because we do have this purple horizontal box right over here, you know, that it is going to be some, look at the volatility right over here. We have lots of wicks up to the upside here. So yeah, I mean, this was getting very strong support. We had a small last attempt, and yeah, we're seeing volume here defending this level. So yeah, I think Alice is going to hit the $15, almost $16 in maybe hours, or maybe, you know, in the next coming days. This has finally resulted as a descending wedge. Okay, the more price it consolidates, the better. I mean, I'm not sure where you trade this on Binance or not. If you have a retracement, I think a good entry here for Alice. I think very likely that we are going to hit the well, I would say $15.5. You know, it is pretty clear. It is an ascending wedge, sorry, descending wedge. We have the nice volume here on the 4-hourly chart going to the upside. Huge consolidation, descending wedge with no volume at all. Now we are popping to the upside with some volume. The most likely scenario, okay, would be meeting the high here of this descending wedge. It is the most likely scenario. So if you wanted to re-enter here on a potential correction, that would be the ideal thing. You could FOMO into this, yes, but I would wait for a correction. On the 1-hourly, we do have volume nicely here. We are overbought territory. Wait to see if the price of Alice is going to come down to the $12.5 would be ideal here for a re-entry. So yeah, this is what we got for Alice. Bearish case scenario would be coming to retest 12.5 or even, yeah, $12. Bullish case scenario would be, you know, creating like a flag, like a pennant, like a descending wedge, and then getting the leg up to the a descending wedge target to the top, or we might have a correction down here and then back up. This is what I think is going to happen by looking at the chart, looking at the momentum here, price action. We are in an uptrend clearly on the 1-hourly and the 4-hourly. So yeah, this is my take on Alice, my neighbor. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash here for Simon. Hello from South Africa, says Mike. Hello, greetings from Germany, says Daniel Muller. Hello, Daniel. Bitcoin Cash, hello. Litecoin, Ethereum, BNB, says Simon. Yes, bro, please, Doc, please. Arjun, yes, I need to take a look at Polkadot first because, yeah, in the comment sections from the last stream, I had loads of people. Then we take a look at Bitcoin Cash, but lots of people asking for Polkadot, and I left the stream without taking a look at Polkadot. Well, this is looking pretty good. It's a long time since I haven't checked out Polkadot, but yeah, I think it's pretty clear that we should be getting a leg up to $24 here for Polkadot very, very soon. And why is this? Because we've had major bounces here at this support. This is exactly the $19. We just went below $19 yesterday, if I'm not wrong, 9th of August. Got supported here, very nice, very strong support and resistance, the $20, nice round number. Now, got supported there very nicely. As soon as we broke down, we didn't even retest it until this date, which was the 1st of August. We had a retest at $20, got massive rejected, and now we finally broke out from this range. It looks like we weren't going to hold, but we have hold here nicely. Yeah, the only thing I'm concerned about this is, yeah, after a run up like this that we've had since the 21st of July, we haven't had, you know, a major correction. So we're having bearish divergence on the 4-hourly chart. So this is the thing that is getting me a little bit worried on Polkadot, guys. We can't get extremely bullish after having a massive run up because some type of correction will come soon. I hope that the $19 is going to hold nicely. It has held nicely in the past as support, as resistance. So why not should it hold now before continuing up? This would be our next major resistance point, the $24, in my opinion. Bearish case scenario would be seeing these bearish divergence playing out in the end and coming down to retest $17, which is our next major support range. So this is what I got for Polkadot, okay? Very, very hard at this moment. Broken out from major resistance. Will this resistance hold as support? Having these massive bearish divergence? Very hard to say, guys. I would say yes. I would say yes. We might see a correction hitting $19 again before having the leg up, in my opinion. Now, we could still perfectly have the leg up and the RSI would still have come up all the way up here, still be creating the bearish divergence. That's my take on Polkadot. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, okay, I'm expecting Bitcoin Cash at least hitting $650. This is our next major resistance point. It has had a pretty nice leg up now, but we are getting rejected super strongly from $600. If we take a look at the 1 hourly, yeah, I'm expecting Bitcoin Cash at least to hit 650, 640, 50. I'll be taking some profits here on Bitcoin Cash. You know, I got a trade open here on Bitcoin Cash, also on Litecoin. Yeah, my targets for Bitcoin Cash is 650. It is 680, but yeah, we do have major resistance at $650. Guys, make sure to check out the bonus that I got from Bybit. I got an incredible bonus, up to $1,610 worth of bonus by using my link in the description. But the best bonus is on PrimeXbt. You get 50% added to your deposit, okay, by using my link in the description, and Bitcoin Census 50 as the promotion code. All the info and the tutorial down below. Be careful with trading. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Right. Yeah, this is my take on Bitcoin Cash. I think the $550 range, plus minus, you know, a few dollars, $10, $20, we can have some wicks, some volatility. I think we should be holding very nicely. But it is the same scenario here for Bitcoin Cash. We are seeing higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI. So I'm just being a little bit cautious on this. I'm not risking too much just yet on this trade because of this these bearish divergence. Now, don't get me wrong, I am pretty confident that this will be hitting $640, $650. But we're just might be seeing a little bit of volatility to the downside. We might be getting scared a little bit here. Okay, potentially hitting 520 or something, or 540, who knows, but we might get a little bit scared just because of these bearish divergence. I will still be holding my long positions, okay? I will potentially be adding more. I'm pretty confident about this double bottom scenario. We have this major support, resistance, you know, consolidation around this area. I think there's going to be quite a lot of fake outs below 550 before we continue up on Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin Cash. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin here on right. Yeah, Litecoin, yeah, you know the take also here for Litecoin. I'm expecting $180 at least for Litecoin in the coming hours or maybe a few days. It is a major resistance point. We are going to get some type of rejection. The measured move for Litecoin of this double bottom is about $190, almost $190. So I'll be taking most of my profits. I'll be having some of my position open with a protected stop loss to see if we are going to break this major resistance and continue to the upside. I am pretty bullish on, you know, these cryptos. I do think that, you know, a major, you know, run up to the upside is very possible in the next coming months. I am pretty confident. This is not going to be a classic bear market where we have a bull trap. We're going to come back down to these low levels here on Litecoin of $100 and then break it to the downside. No, I think not. This is not the case in my opinion. Now let's go to the 1 hourly. We did have a little fake out here on Litecoin. You know, it's very, very difficult on the 1 hourly chart. But yeah, this could have potentially been like a bull flag kind of pattern. We did have a small fake out. Now this is why we take a look at the bull pennants, bull flags to break out the breakout. We want to break out from the breakout. So as soon as we come back down, okay, unless you are super aggressive, it would be nice getting a bounce from here and you trade this, okay? You trade the breakout from the breakout. This would give you more confidence. You enter a position as soon you break out the breakout, because a lot of times you can see a fake out and you back in this descending, you know, channel or bull flag. That's why most of the times I do say, you know, let's try and trade the breakout from the breakout. Then it does give you more confidence. Just like we've seen here on the Bitcoin dominance, okay? You know, I'm pretty confident that this will be breaking this higher low structure. We've been creating higher lows right over here, and the last higher low is around this area at 45.50. So as soon as we break 45.50, this is going to confirm that we are actually reversing the trend here to the downside, and this could still easily be a fake up. That's why I have my yellow horizontal line just here from this higher low. It hasn't been a confirmed breakout. This would be a confirmed breakout. So this could perfectly still get back inside the wedge. But I mean, in my opinion, it's most likely that we are going to continue down. Right, let's take a look at Ethereum. I haven't checked out Ethereum still yet today. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum did look like that we were going to break the 3,200, but we did not. We hit 3,235, which was pretty good. Now we had massive rejection here. Let's take a look at the 50-minute chart quickly here for Ethereum. Yeah, just pushed straight back down. There's potentially a lot of people shorting here. You know, a lot of bots also shorting exactly the $3,200 range, 3,180, because we've been having so many bounces as resistance. And yeah, a lot of bots, a lot of automatic bots trading this, having the stop losses above 3,200, 3,220 to 3,230. That's why you have these last little wick fake outs, because they're stop losses. They catch stop losses. A lot of people might be shorting, you know, Ethereum, Bitcoin, a lot of them, because of the bearish divergence. If we zoom out here on Ethereum, you know, there is clearly still some bearish divergence. So a lot of people getting ready to place some short orders. But I am, you know, I go more with price action. This is just an indicator that helps to see if the trend is losing steam or gaining steam. And it seems like it is losing steam a little bit now, but the trend is your friend. We are pretty bullish still. Yeah, this is looking pretty bullish. If we take a trend here from these, yeah, around about this area like this, trend is pretty still strong to the upside. Now let's take a look at BNB. Ages since I haven't taken a look at BNB. Let's take a look. Right, BNB, let's zoom out. Zooming out here on the chart for Binance Coin. Right, we have broken out some good resistance. Okay, this orange box right over here that I got here is, I connected it with this peak over here. We did get supported very nicely there. Also, it was major resistance. We finally broke out from this range. Now we are hitting this major resistance over here. This was kind of a head and shoulder scenario right over there. Okay, can you see this on BNB? Left, right small shoulder, measured move, you know, head to the support from the breakout. Guys, look how exactly we met the target right over there from this dodgy head and shoulder pattern. We've got right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, measured technical move. We exactly hit that target there. Now, the reason why I've drawn this is because, you know, we got the left and right shoulder hitting the $380 right over there. So it is a major level. This is where we are currently. We've currently hit here for BNB the last couple of hours. So 380 is a major level. We were talking about 380 as soon as we broke this range. I remember, if you're an old subscriber, we were talking about if we clearly break 330, it is very, very likely that we're hitting $380 approximately here for BNB, because we can clearly see that this was a major resistance and support level. We had a little bit of a fake out consolidation, then we've clearly broken out from here. Bullish case scenario would be breaking, you know, is this a double bottom scenario? I would say no, this is not a double bottom. Yeah, there's not a clear double bottom here for BNB. We should be breaking out nicely the 380 to become bullish. As soon as we break 380, the structure will be looking pretty good. So yeah, I mean, I don't like BNB really. If you ask me, not a great chart to do a technical analysis. Let's take a look at Chainlink. I've got so many people now asking for different cryptos. Simon, I've taken a look at this one. Let's take a look at Chainlink now. It seems like we are doing a little bit of a fake out on a lot of cryptos. Because yeah, we're just having, you know, we are at critical level here for Chainlink, for example, which is the $24-25 range. This is where I've got this this box right over here. If we zoom out here for Chainlink, 1 second. Yeah, this has been a clear support range. That's why I've got this this box. So we've got, you know, several bounces right over there, a little bit of volatility right over here. Eventually we had the sell-off, which was absolutely crazy. As soon as we calm down, we can see that this has been a major support level, getting 2 bounces there at the $24-25 range. Now, as soon as we have a clear breakout of $25, I would suggest, then yeah, I think a major leg up to $32 is very likely. We just see a lot of volatility up and down. Okay, looking at the charts, clear ups and downs from this ranges, not too much consolidation, not too many stops, a lot of ups and downs. So I think it would be pretty easy to get a leg up to $32 if we clearly break for 25. But yeah, this is looking a little bit choppy, especially after this run up. Massive bearish divergence also on the 4-hourly, I guess on the daily also. RSI creating lower highs, price action making higher highs. It seems like that, yeah, some type of correction. I wouldn't mind a $20 correction here, going from $24-25 to $20. This would be absolutely healthy for the Chainlink and, well, rest of the market. We should be getting a nice bounce. We might be long in this if we do have a decent scary correction to $20-19. We might be long in this, okay? We'll be taking a look at Chainlink, okay? Don't worry, in the next coming days, and also the different cryptocurrencies. But I would actually aggressively place a long here if we did have a correction on Chainlink. Chainlink can be traded on Bybit, guys. Make sure to check out the link in the description. You can get up to $1,610 worth of bonus, okay, on Bybit. And Bybit has, yeah, I think it has about 20 different cryptos, 15 or 20. I know Chainlink is on there. Heidi, can you take a look at ETC, please? Thanks. Yes, Ethereum Classics. Let's take a look, a quick look at Ethereum Classic here for who? For Ashti. Let's take a look. Well, we failed on breaking the $62 range, 61, 62, but I mean, wow. Yeah, this is clearly reversing. We're having trend reversal. Look how from these lower highs, okay, lower highs over here, lower highs over here, then, you know, we are creating another lower high structure over here. Look how, you know, the trend is flipping. Every time, you know, the downtrend is getting less steeper and less steeper. This is a clear trend reversal structure. This is a clear trend reversal structure. The price action is to the downside is just losing steam. We are getting, yeah, it's nice because we have created a higher low right over there. Now, what we can see, this could also be a double bottom scenario. Okay, we had this symmetrical triangle breaking to the downside in the end. Can get that out of the way. I think let's take a look. I think ETC is also on Bybit. This is an ultimate buying opportunity in my opinion. If we break $62 successfully on ETC, and ETC has been really good with support and resistance and price action. If we do successfully break $62, I am going to be trading this. I will be trading this. I see this as an ultimate double bottom scenario. We've got that bottom over here, this bottom right over here. This is slightly to the upside, but second bottom can also be a little bit lower or a little bit higher than the first bottom. Okay, it is absolutely fine. Obviously, you don't want, you know, a double bottom like this and the second bottom like this. You want it pretty close to the other bottom. So yeah, I think, you know, the conservative target from this double bottom on ETC would be getting this higher low to the resistance from the breakout. The measured technical move would be almost hitting the $85. A clear breakout of $62 can take us to $85. There will be some type of resistance on the way, but this could take a week, 2 weeks, maybe almost a month. You know, even though this breaks out like this, it might do this and then this and then come up, or it might take a couple of days to come all the way back to all the way up here. But that would be the measured move, and we do know that resistance turns into heavy support. So, you know, this support has been very nicely managed. You can see resistance there, resistance here. So if we do have a nice clear breakout, yeah, it's tight stop loss behind $60 and aiming for that $82 range. Let me just check here quickly, because I think Ethereum Classic can be traded on Bybit. Yeah, Ethereum Classic is on Bybit. I will be trading this on Bybit also, guys. Maybe in a live stream, maybe in one of my videos, I'll be showing the trade. So yeah, guys, if you haven't got an account, if you're an experienced trader, check out Bybit. You've got an insane bonus available down below. I'm not sure how long that bonus is going to be there. I also have tutorials of Bybit and PrimeXbt. Right, the Netherlands are interested are in Litecoin. Yeah, I've taken a look at Litecoin already. It's just me that I'm lagging behind the comment section. But yeah, Litecoin, I'm still hoping that Litecoin, you know, if we do come back down, that the $150, $145 might see a little bit of volatility, is going to hold very nicely as support. I'm aiming on $180 Litecoin, round about that area. And yeah, we just about almost hit 170. Yeah, we just hit 170. So yeah, we're very close to the target. We've been talking about this double bottom for a long time now here on Litecoin. If we do luckily come all the way back down, this might be a re-entry opportunity. This is just probabilities, guys. We could crash down to zero tomorrow, but yeah, we're just taking a look at the probabilities. It is most likely that it's going to hold nicely as support if we do come back down there. Hello, Jackie. Hello, dot. Yes, I've taken a look at dot already. Please, bro, tell me about dot. Yes, I've taken a look at dot. We'll take a look again just quickly. Polkadot scenario is, yeah, we should be climbing up to $24. We've broken out from $20 very nicely, pretty nicely. This could have been a fake out, but it looks like that we are going to have that major leg to the upside. I'm not sure if we'll reach $24 because of the bearish divergence, but at least, you know, we are changing the trend here. The trend is looking pretty good. I think $24 Polkadot is very possible in the next coming days. But it might take 2 days, it might take a week. Be careful with these bearish divergence. The price can go a little bit crazy now. I think that $19 should be holding as ultimate support here. Just be very cautious on this one. I am not that confident on trading this, so but we should be having that leg up here to $24 in the next few days. Hi Andy, talk about Wyckoff accumulation. I think your thoughts on that were playing out. Yeah, I mean, this is what we've been talking about this. A lot of people talking about this Wyckoff being Wyckoff distribution, and I think it's played out finally as an accumulation event. In an accumulation, you do want to see spring points. You want to see the price faking out support, because this is when people will come ultra bearish. How many people did you see ultra bearish, calling for 10k levels, calling for 20k levels, 25k levels? You have, well, or eventually you have JP Morgan, Robert Kiyosaki calling for 25k levels. That's what gave me more confidence that we're not going to go below 28k levels. That was my ultimate low position. If you're an old subscriber, you know that 28k levels, you know, was very likely to be the bottom in my opinion. I was potentially expecting that we were going to have a last spring point to the downside before going up, but we didn't. So yeah, it's the same here. It's the same. People come ultra bullish as soon as you have little breakouts from the all-time high and coming back down. This is when you need to be cautious. When you break, you know, also the same support. This is people coming ultra bearish here. When you come back up, when you do this and break also here the low again and then come back up, yeah guys, this is a bear trap. This is a clear accumulation. This is bull trappy. This is bear trappy. So yeah, if you are a bear here, you're positioning yourself at the wrong side of the market. This is when you need to come bullish. Right. Okay. Hang on, guys. I am at ETC. I've checked out ETC. 1 second, guys. 1 second. A lot of spamming. Stop spamming. I'm trying to read most of the comments. I know I'm lagging a lot, but a lot of cryptos that you want me to analyze. So, could you please check Telcoin? Yeah, I've checked BNB already. Let's take a look at Telcoin. Right, Telcoin. I'm going to do super quick analysis because a lot of the people want me to analyze their crypto, their favorite cryptocurrency, and it's not fair. It's not fair. So I can't be 10 minutes on one crypto and then 2 minutes on another. So let's try and make it pretty fast. This is Telcoin on the 4 hourly. It's not the best looking chart. It's not the best looking chart. Telcoin is Telcoin just below 2 cents now? Is it? It's a mid cap coin. Has it got 1 billion? Yeah, 1 billion mid high cap cryptocurrency. It would be nice getting a bounce from this support actually and breaking this high. This structure is not looking just yet bullish. We don't have clear double bottoms, you know. We just have this bottom right over here, broken out this major resistance. Now it's turning into support nicely. Is it going to hold? I don't know. We might come back down here to the 0.008 cents and then create a double bottom, potentially a small fake out to the downside. Or if we do manage to break this high over here, I am going to start becoming more bullish. We will be technically creating here on the 4 hourly a higher low, so that will be, we still need to see a little bit of price action. No clear levels here for Telcoin. Let's hope that this support is going to hold nicely. This is the 0.016 cents. Yeah, let's just wait for a few more days to see if we are going to create a higher low right over here and break this lower high. That would be phenomenal if we did this. Then the structure will be changing. Still too soon. Still too soon. So I think this support should be holding nicely for Telcoin. Now let's quickly take a look at some other cryptos here. Please check link. I have checked out Chainlink Crypto Lord. Yeah, we need to break clearly the $25, and then we might have a leg up in the next coming weeks to $32. We're having bearish divergence, so I think, yeah, Crypto Lord, I think I've taken a look already at Chainlink. Let's take a look at Theta here. Please check Dot. Also take a look at Dot Crypto Lord. I'm lagging through the comment section. Harif says please check out Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. Right, Solana, what have we got for Solana? Looking great. We are just hitting the ultimate resistance point at $40, but guys, you know the deal here for Solana. I am pretty surprised, and you can trade this on Bybit. I am pretty surprised that I did not place a long order here on Solana after breaking this huge symmetrical triangle, because we did break out of it and we got supported here very, very nicely, as you can see on the chart. We do have this lower highs, resistance. Look how we bounced here nicely, continuing to the upside, and we did talk before. I haven't touched here anything yet on Solana. There, $40 round psychological number. We do have a touch of resistance right over here. We have been bouncing as support in the past so long here for a long time. $40, we wicked down here to $39, but $40, $39 has been so strong as a support and also as a resistance. A lot of fakey outs here, and this is where we currently at. This would have been a great trade. We did not take a look at Solana for quite a few days, but we did. That's why I have this purple horizontal line. We've got resistance, and yeah, resistance there. Look how we've had this nice clear price action, green candle. Look how we bounced here nicely at $36, having the leg up here for a double top. This is what we always talk about on the channel. We want to break out, come down to the support, enter a trade, exit here at a double top, because you do not know if we are going to break it. But what you do know is that there is a high chance coming up to retest the high that we've created. So it's the same here. If we break $40, look how strong this major level is as resistance. If we do have a clear breakout, just like we did here from $36 to $40 to almost $40, then yeah, if we go from $40 to $44, then on this pullback, it is very, very likely that this is going to hold. So you could enter along for a double top scenario. Now, we got a measured move from a target here. We got a huge symmetrical triangle. The measured target is coming all the way to the $50 range. We also got a double bottom right over here. This is why we saw this purple, okay, horizontal box right over here. So double bottom scenario from the bottom to the resistance. Okay, guys, can you see it? Double bottom right over there, breaking out, coming back down, retesting perfectly as support, coming back up. Now, yeah, this should take us all the way up to about $50 also. So we got two patterns here playing out bullish at the exact same target. This symmetrical triangle breakout to the upside is the same measured move than this double bottom. Okay, let's wait and see. I think that, you know, any type of pullbacks here I think I will be placing some longs here on Bybit, because it is a cryptocurrency that it is on Bybit. So yeah, I'll be taking a close look to that to take advantage on any pullback. Remember guys, you got the best bonus available down below of Bybit, up to $1,610 worth of bonus, and they've added a huge amount of cryptocurrencies the last month. Let's take a look at Theta token. Theta is is a very, very strong bull. We've been talking about this now, and we did correct. Was this yesterday? Yesterday was one of the best buys for Theta in my opinion, coming down almost to the $6. Okay, we could come even lower guys. Remember, we've had a decent run up, so coming to maybe $5 is still very, very possible, but this would still be a major buy zone in my opinion, because we do see a breakout from a descending wedge on Theta. Theta's been creating a massive descending wedge. We are currently breaking out from this structure. This is ready to have a turnover. This doesn't mean we are going to go up now in the next coming days. We could still have a retracement before getting the trend reversal. So yeah, bearish case scenario for Theta would be coming, back down to the $5 area, which would be a great buy zone in my opinion. I don't think that we'll be coming down to that range, but maybe if we're lucky enough to $5.80, that would be another major buy opportunity. I don't think we'll be coming down to $4. It's very unlikely. I think this is ready to start reversing. I also see an inverse, very choppy inverse head and shoulder, but it is very, very likely it is going to play out. Okay, we do clearly see the neckline here, right over there, right over here. Okay, this is the left shoulder. We have the head right over here and the right shoulder right over here. This choppy price action. Broken the neckline. Guess what? We've almost exactly bounced at this neckline there. Measured technical move from the breakout should be coming all the way up to $9. So $9 for Theta price target in days or maybe a week or two. We do not know. We might have a severe correction before we come all the way up here. If we correct, I think this is going to be a major buy zone in my opinion, just below $6. What's your take on the US crypto bill? Oh yeah, Doge US dollar. Let's take a look at Doge US dollar. Bitcoin Cash here for Ravanth. I think it might have a price impact to the downside, but I think we'll be all right. We'll be all right. I think we always have a nice bounce to the upside if we do correct. So the US crypto bill, yes, it can have a bad price impact, but I think we'll be recovering pretty soon enough. Did I miss Ripple, says Luke? No, you did not. Let's take a look at Ripple straight away. Let's take a look at Ripple. Right, let's take a look at Ripple here. Whoops, XRP. Yeah, Ripple is looking pretty good. You know my take on Ripple. I think that we'll be eventually hitting 95 cents. Ever since we were around this range, okay, around about 73 cents. I said that if we did come all the way up here to 81 cents, 80 cents approximately, then this is going to confirm this double bottom scenario. I see this very unlikely coming below 70 cents, okay, in the next coming days. I think we could potentially come back down and retest it, but I don't think that we'll be coming below this range, okay, because I see this double bottom scenario playing out pretty nicely. This is an Adam and Eve double bottom scenario, exactly here, double bottom. And yeah, the measured move would be coming all the way up here to almost 95 cents in my opinion. So that is my take on Ripple. Bearish case scenario would be coming back down from 82 cents to retest 70 cents and then getting the bounce up. And bullish case scenario would be just, you know, the bearish case scenario would be still bullish because I'm expecting a very high bounce from here. Most bullish case scenario would be, you know, successfully breaking 81 cents right now. We did have a little bit of a fake out. 81 cents is a major 80 cents area. Okay, this is plus minus a couple of cents because of the volatility, of course. It's been a strong support there, so eventually it's not going to be that easy to break out, but as soon as we break out, 95 cents is very, very likely, guys. Luke, this is for Luke. Hey Andy, first of all, you are in my Up the Best Crypto YouTubers. Miotti, thank you very much. You deserve a few 100k more followers. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Where is a good buying opportunity? Thank you. Right, is this going to be for scalping, or is it going to be for, I'm going to give you my opinion. I'm never going to tell you where to buy. I'm going to tell you where I'm going to buy, where I think the price is going to bounce, and then you can do your own decision and analysis. But I can tell you what I would potentially do. Right, if we did come all the way back down, and this is, you know, we can see maybe a lot of volatility is coming here, because there are some bearish divergence on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, also on the daily. The daily doesn't matter too much because the daily can have a bearish divergence of 4 months. But yeah, taking a look at the 4 hourly and 1 hourly, they can play out pretty shortly. And this is the bad news, not the bad news, but the you know, we can anticipate when we can maybe have a correction. $3,200 for Ethereum is a major support. If we zoom out here, okay, this we can clearly see that we've bounced so many times here in the past as support. So eventually support breaks down, we turn it into resistance, and this is what is currently happening right now on Ethereum. We eyed this so far away. Since we broke 3,200, we had this resistance drawn, okay? We said if we break out, you know, we'll be hitting resistance. We come back down. We want to place a long at 2,900 area. Yeah, we basically went even below that range, just a few dollars. Look, double top scenario. This is the way that we want to trade, okay? We want to break out here clearly. If we come back down, we want to enter and we want to exit at a double top, okay? This doesn't always work because, yeah, if not, it would be super easy. There will be a moment where at some point you will be breaking support. So the support won't hold and you're going to have a little, you know, kind of bull trap over here, and then you're going to have your stopped out. Okay, so this, you want to try and get in the trend very, very early. Get in all these bounces, try and get all in these bounces, because at some point, you know, you're going to win 4 trades and then the 5th trade you're going to lose it. But anyway, you've won 4 trades from 5, haven't you? So that is good enough, especially if you have tight stop losses. Right, the bad news about Ethereum, if we do come all the way down to 2,900, this is a double top, so you wouldn't want to enter here because this is maybe a double top going to break down. What I do think is that we might have a great buying opportunity at $2,600. Are we going to come that low? I think we're not. I mean, it is a difficult moment because I do not trade the bounce here of a double top, potentially looking for a long, because you just don't long double tops hitting the support again. It doesn't make any sense. But then if you zoom out, you know that this is such a strong resistance. It's going to be a strong support now to break down. I would just wait for a breakout of 3,200, a clear nice breakout. As soon as we have a pullback close to 3,200, get in a long position there, get out here at a potential double top, or potentially, you know, it is very, very likely that we'll be having a leg up to 3,600. Why? Because There's been just a lot of volatility in between 3,200. Look how easy it has been to come up and down in between 3,200 and 3,600. So I think, you know, I think a major leg up would be very, very likely, very surprising also. A lot of people will be surprised from this leg up. But for the moment, we're getting rejected, so coming back down to 2,900 is on the table, especially with bearish divergence. Thank you very much, Mioti, for your support. You are in my top best crypto YouTubers now. Thank you very much for that. Andy says, Simon, aye, good morning from Hawaii, you legend. Missed you. I missed you, Garrett. Thank you for joining. Ethereum, BTC, Bitcoin Cash, and some other cryptos forming something like head and shoulder pattern. Maybe. Revanth. Are they forming a head and shoulder pattern? Is that on the 1 hourly, the 4 hourly? Give me some details and we'll check it out. What time frame? Smash up the like button for him, fam. Show some love. Yes, Garrett, thank you very much. Look, BTC. Yeah, BTC is... What is BTC looking like? No, I mean, I'm not trading this. I wouldn't trade it. It is... It is difficult. It does look like we're going to have a potentially a leg down. This is Bitcoin on the 30 minute. Let's get the volume out here, because for some reason I took the volume out, guys. Sorry, 1 second. Right. Okay, this is the 1 hourly, the 30-minute chart. It does look like we are going to lose. Yeah, we are basically losing now live this support range. It looks like that we might be having a leg down almost to the $44,000. It is a possibility. But anyway, I mean, this is just a healthy correction. Because we've had this leg up. And yeah, we would be about hitting the golden pocket range. This would be the target of this breakout of this symmetrical triangle. It is a little bit of a risky trade. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Yeah, this could still be a fake out. I would wait for a little bit more price action. We could easily come back in, guys. Be careful on smaller time frames. A lot of fake outs. We need longer consolidation. I like to see this, then retracement, then back down. Then you can get into quick scalp, riding this trend to the downside. But don't FOMO in breakouts, because there are a lot of fake outs. I would be using PrimeXbt here for a potential scalp on Bitcoin. Guys, check out PrimeXbt. It's my favorite day trading platform. Okay, it is you got 50 different assets, over 50 different assets to trade with, and you can use Bitcoin, you can use Ethereum, you can also use USDT and USDC as collateral, and you can trade more than 50 assets. You got Forex, you got Euro US dollar, you got Euro yen. There are so many different assets here that you can trade. You got oil, you got gold, you got the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and you're using Bitcoin as collateral, and you got 50% added to your deposit by using my link in the description. So check it out, guys. Definitely a bonus you could take advantage of. Only for experienced traders. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. If you want to learn how to trade, I've got a full tutorial down below of PrimeXbt, so you can learn how to use this platform, guys. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Practice a lot if you're not an experienced trader. Right, I'm looking for the BTC US dollar pair here, and I cannot find it. Where is it? Right, where's the BTC US dollar pair? Here, right. I'm gonna get this ready for a potential scalp to the downside. I want to wait for a little bit more confirmation, but it is very, very likely that we'll be getting the leg down here. Yeah, pretty big bearish divergence on the 4 hourly, and also not too high on the 4 hourly, but yes on the 1 hourly. Look, check out here, you know, these divergence from this point. Okay, it started over here, and it seemed like, yeah, that it's just going to play out from now right over here. So we might be going to go to the oversold territory here on the 1 hourly, and potentially hitting the $44,000 area. It is the most likely scenario. I would like to see a little bit of more confirmation. Hopefully we're going to have a retracement, get a bounce from here, and then I would be pretty confident here for a short position, confirming this breakout. INS blockchain Ash coin, good project, says think my decision. XRP, I've taken a look at XRP already. Hey Andy, could you take a look at XLM when you get chance? Yes, now is the chance. Let's take a look at XLM. Lagging behind the comment section so much. Yeah, XLM not looking too bad. A very similar scenario than a lot of them. Okay, XLM, we know 30 cents is a major resistance over there. It now has to turn into support. No clear breakouts from here, but you know, I'm expecting this double bottom scenario to play out here for XLM. We might see a little bit of volatility. We should be hitting 36 cents in weeks, maybe in days, maybe in a week or two. Yeah, I'm expecting maybe a little bit of sideways action here before having the leg up, but maybe hitting 28 cents, 27 cents before having the leg up. This is very much a double bottom scenario. We are ready for a major blast off, in my opinion. Ultimate low 28 cents, I think, in my opinion, before having the leg up. So bearish case scenario would be getting a leg down 28 cents, and the most bullish one would be creating like a symmetrical triangle or something here, because you know, I think this range, this 29 cent range, is going to hold nicely. Please look at Cartesi, says Gamer God. Let's take a look at Cartesi. It had a massive leg up to the upside because yeah, I think it was it BitBoy Crypto mentioning Cartesi not long ago. I did see a pop up on one of his videos of Cartesi. So yeah, that's definitely had a nice leg up. CTSI. I'm not too familiar with this project. I think it's a layer 2 solution for the Ethereum network, but yeah, it's definitely a low mid cap. So yeah, just a little bit of audience from a channel would pump the price, and it seems this is what has happened. Let's zoom out here on the 4 hourly. Wow, huge leg up from 50 cents, 45 cents, all the way up to $1.25. Yeah, very difficult to analyze this. You know, these FOMO pumps. There's definitely been some, you know, a lot of buying power. So I would think that this is going to have a consolidation phase. Yeah, potentially a descending wedge. Descending wedge, a descending kind of channel before having the next major leg up. So yeah, it's currently at 77 cents. We could easily come down to 68, 65 cents and create like a descending wedge or a descending channel here. If the volume still going down on this consolidation, expect that this might have a nice bounce and continue to the upside. Zoom out on the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, I mean, you could could have arguably discussed that this was also a double bottom right over there. We have a, you know, consolidation right over here. If we extend this, okay, there is just a lot of volatility here, bouncing at 60 cents, 58 cents. So we came down, bounced here as resistance, round bottom, and then yeah, we just should have had the blast off, but this was very much unpredictable. But yeah, this would have been the measured move. We absolutely skyrocketed our high. So very difficult on analyzing this. I think that yeah, 60 cents should be holding nicely as support, being a strong support and resistance. So yeah, if we do have the chance of coming down to 60 cents level, I think that is going to be a major buy opportunity for Cartesi, in my opinion, guys. Ethereum, please look at CTSI. Yes. A lot of spamming, guys, in the comment section. I am trying to read most of you. Stop spamming the comment section. I will take a look at your crypto, or at least try it. I will try. Right, next crypto, Ethereum. Yeah, what's happening with Ethereum? Are we having the correction? Yeah, I mean, this is what we got for Ethereum. Okay, I think, yeah, potential leg down. Okay, the price is getting a little bit exhausted. If we break 3,200, I think it will be holding nicely as support, okay, for the next leg up. So if we break out nicely, any consolidation is good for a potential re-enter trade. Okay. Right, yeah. Calm down. I'm taking a look at Cartesi already. Give us your bet altcoins. Bet altcoins, UBT. I like UBT. I like Chainlink. Chainlink is one of my, it's 20% on my portfolio. I'm super bullish on Chainlink in the long run. It is a bad performer at the moment, but don't worry, it will have its time. Hi Andy, just recently started following your videos. I like it. I like it. Made some profits. Thanks a lot for that. Can you please look into Litecoin? I mean, Dinesh, I'm super glad that you have made some profits by looking at my videos. Super glad you did. So let's take a look at this. Is this Luna maybe? Lena? I've heard about this one before. Right, this is a low cap cryptocurrency, so maybe the analysis is not going to be so good because you know the deal. Low mid cap cryptocurrencies just are a little bit too volatile and unreliable. Well, this has had a massive dip, hasn't it? Currently at 0.043 cents. Is this the bottom is the question in my mind and in your mind. This might be the bottom. I am not familiar with the cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. Right, what can we see here? What can we see? It's not. This is maybe getting a start of a recovery. Still a little bit too soon. It's a little bit too soon here for Lena. Can this be an inverse head and shoulder? I mean, at least we did create here on the 4 hourly a higher low. So that's perfect. We do have a major resistance point there, lower highs. So this could easily be a left shoulder. We've got the head right over here, and then we've got this higher low. This is potentially an inverse head and shoulder. Broken out from the neckline, getting nicely supported from the neckline there. As you can see, we do know that the technical measured move would be this head to the neckline from the breakout. So yeah. We might have a correction from here and then continue to the upside. We are technically looking okay on the 1 hourly. We are creating higher lows. So I've seen a scenario similar before. This could come as low as 3 cents. and then come to the upside. You're getting supported from the neckline here. You're getting supported from these higher lows. Yeah, so I think, in my opinion, don't have any idea about this project. You could risk entering here if the price drops for a potential leg up. I mean, technicals looking like that this is ready for a small reversal, in my opinion. Okay, it would be ideal to get above at least this lower high over here. That would be ideal, in my opinion. Right, let's take a look. The Moon commented in my live stream. Thank you very much, Carl from the Moon. He gives me insane support for the channel. Thank you very much for your insane support. 80 people watching. Yes, sir. Check Ethereum. Yo, Carl is in the house. Yes. Hey, ICP looking good. Yeah, I think ICP had a massive run. ICP, let's take a look at ICP here quickly. I think it's currently above $70, is it? Yeah, ICP got a massive bounce in the end. ICP, this is what we checked out. I wasn't expecting ICP to come as low as this. We basically did a double bottom scenario here on ICP. I saw this, this is why, if you remember here on ICP analysis, we said, massive pump there. I'm saying, guys, wait, because this is not a confirmed reversal, because we have this support now being resistance. The volume is high from this leg up, but yeah, this doesn't mean nothing. After coming from such a huge downtrend, let's wait for some price action, and now it is pretty much confirming that we are reversing. We did see a massive descending wedge right over here, finally breaking out up. Measured target from the descending wedge is the top of the wedge, so we absolutely smashed out from there. And guess what, we broke out here nicely from the descending wedge, got a bounce from there, bounce from here. So these levels are super important. As soon as this is one of my trading strategies, basic, boom, break resistance, turn it into support, back up, you're out. I was a very, very successful trader. I don't trade mainly low cap altcoins, low mid caps. Only the top 20, top 30 cryptocurrencies. They need to at least have 1 billion of market capitalization. If not, they're too volatile. So yeah, ICP is just about getting above. This could easily be a fake out. Getting some bearish divergence. So yeah, it is not the moment to long this. If you did not long it already from these lower levels, then yeah, this is not the moment. This could easily be a fake out from this resistance point. The volume is starting to be higher now to the downside from this correction. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, I would be a little bit cautious on ICP for the moment. This could easily potentially be a fake out. We're going to come back down to the $50-$55 range. Yeah, if we do see another leg up, then yeah, I would be pretty confident to get into a trade here for a long position. But it is looking okay. ICP trend is reversing. This could also be counted as a double bottom. Right over there, you've got one bottom, this other large Eve bottom. So yeah, I think we probably already met the target. Yeah, we basically already reached the target from the double bottom scenario, almost. So this is not tradable anymore. Anyway, ICP looking bullish. We need to wait for some more price action. We could be having a correction because of the bearish divergence. Hello, watching all the way from Australia. Wow, Will. Thank you very much for joining. AXS, ADA finally breaking out, it seems. We'll be taking a look at ADA. Right, let's take a look at AXS and Axie Infinity. Also, let's take a look at ADA. If ADA is breaking, I wouldn't mind placing some trades on ADA. Wow, Axe Infinity finally having a major leg up. Yeah, I think I need to start playing this game because it seems like that these NFT gaming. There's also eggs from Waves, Axie Infinity. I need to check out these gamings. We're gonna have to start making live streams and playing some NFT gaming cryptocurrencies, guys. You can actually earn pretty decent money by playing these games. Now, pretty simple here. This was the thing that we were talking about on Axie Infinity. We have a clear support range right over there. We were talking about these bearish divergence. That's why I have these higher highs, these lower highs. So these finally played out. But yeah, this is only plays out until you get into oversold territory and then start making some bullish divergence, which we started making right over here slightly started to begin to create higher lows slightly though, and oh no, okay, no, sorry, this is not bullish divergence. There is slightly bullish divergence right over there. On the 1 hourly, we were creating lower lows here and then higher lows on the RSI, if you can see it. Finally playing out, broken out from this resistance. Now, yeah, measured move basically from this is not a descending triangle because we weren't retesting support. This was more like of a channel or a wedge. You could arguably discuss that this was a wedge. And yeah, target here from breakout of the upside, potentially getting in some type of retracement to get to the top of the wedge. Now let's keep it pretty simple here. We should be retesting this this range over here. Should be holding nicely. $52 should be holding nicely as support. Will it? Well, we do not know, but yeah, it's going pretty insane. Axie Infinity. ADA, let's take a look at ADA here, because if ADA has a good trading opportunity, wow, yeah, it looks like we are finally breaking out major resistance. This is looking pretty good. Now let's take a look at the daily, 4 hourly. Right, first the daily. Look at this. This is so choppy, so volatile. This crypto ADA is. It is so choppy and volatile. But it seems that we are. It would be nice to close this daily candle round about the $1.60. Let's hope, because this could easily still be a fake out. Let's go to the 4 hourly. We've been talking about this for ages, okay? I might be trading this myself. We've closed a 4 hourly candle already on top of the $1.50. Touch here as resistance there, resistance. We did say $1.55 would be ideal because there's a lot of volatility. Look how hard it was to break $1.50 right over here. Finally broke down, then finally broke up. Got a nice bounce here as support. So yeah, this maybe is looking pretty decent for a trade. I'm just concerned that Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the cryptos are, having these massive bearish divergences. But I might be long in this. We do know that the measured move here would be coming all the way up to the $1.90. Guys, can you see the double bottom scenario? We've got the bottom right over here, the second bottom right over here. So this is clear double bottom. We are breaking out from the resistance point, which is the $1.50. Okay. It is a major resistance. We have had a nice breakout, almost hitting $1.60. Now, if we do have a retracement, Maybe you could risk a trade here with a short stop loss. Don't have a massive stop loss. This can be traded on Bybit, guys. Now the measured move is from the bottom to the resistance, and it's about $1.90 approximately. So yeah, we're potentially going to go to $1.90. I would exit a lot of my position here at $1.85 because we've had so many touches here of resistance. As you can see, just after the sell-off, touch there, touch here at $1.82, one here at $1.87. So yeah, just below $1.90 is a major resistance. We could almost see this, this is a clear double bottom trend reversal. That could have been a bull trap. This one right over here, the dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounces are bull traps, but not a massive, huge consolidation, creating triple bottoms and then a bull trap. No, it doesn't work like that. Market cycle does not work like that. There's no way. It would be the strangest, bear market I have ever seen, because you don't have triple double bottoms and start breaking lower highs. It would be such a long bull trap. It just doesn't make any sense for me, in my opinion. So yeah, getting consolidation around $1.50 here on 88 and potentially having a leg up to $1.90 in the next coming weeks. Potentially I will be trading this on Bybit. Remember, Bybit, guys, has got the best bonus available using my link in the description. You can get up to $1,610 worth of bonus, guys. PrimeXbt, best bonus available in my opinion. Best exchange for day trading. I prefer Bybit for swing trading because of the fees. The fees are slightly more expensive than Bybit to have a swing trade position open. So I used PrimeXbt for day trading. You get 50% added to your deposit by using my link in the description. Be careful with day trading, guys. Only for experienced trader, and if you're not, check out tutorials, learn, don't risk more than you're willing to lose. ICP, will you keep a long position? On ICP, well, if we get a retracement better, it is a little bit, we're having some bearish divergence. You don't want to long. Okay, if you have had a long position, I would keep it open. If you longed ICP around about the $50 range, then yeah, potentially you could still have it long. You could still have the long position open. Head and shoulder on the 1 hourly, Bitcoin dumping down, says Mitchell. Let's take a look. Head and shoulder on the 1 hourly. I cannot clearly see a head and shoulder right over here. Let me take just this out of the way because that's just from the bearish divergence. But head and shoulder, where? I can't clearly see the head and shoulders. A little bit choppy. Could you potentially do this? Yeah, I can't clearly see a head and shoulder. No clear head and shoulder. What I can see is a symmetrical triangle on the 15 minute, on the 30 minute, and yeah, we are potentially going to dump from here. If we manage to get below this wick over here, I think yeah, potentially leg down to $44,000 is very, very possible. TA on 1, Harmony, yes, okay, Juicy Gamer, let's take a look at this. What do you think about project? Fundamentals seem solid. Drone Legend, I have no idea about this project, Drone Legend. Let's take a look at here. Oh, Million Token. There are some investors that saying that this is the future coin. Yeah, I wouldn't be too sure about that. It's had a massive hype, going all the way up to $223, and yeah, this seems like yeah, it's just dying off. Maybe it's entering accumulation. I don't know, but yeah, I've heard something about this crypto, but be careful. Make sure to do your analysis. Right, let's take a look at Harmony 1. just about to break this resistance, but getting a little bit fakey outy. Right, this is the 4-hourly chart here for Harmony. Yeah, it would be ideal to break the 9 cents, but nicely. You know, at least coming to about 10 cents would be a clear breakout. Now we're just having a fake out. And we're seeing red volume coming in to the downside. Whether it's a fight, basically it is a fight in between bulls and bears, because they do know, you know, the bulls and the bears here on Harmony do know that if the bulls manage to successfully break the 9 cent level, then yeah, this is eventually going to have a pretty decent leg to the upside. So that's why we see some volume coming in on both sides, bears defending the 9 cents and bulls trying to fight it and break it. So we have, you know, resistance. Now the resistance fake out area. If we successfully break out 9 cents, potentially hitting 10 cents, 10.5 cents, we could have a nice leg up to the 12.5 cents. That would be the measured technical move from this double bottom scenario. We want to see a nice breakout though. This is still nothing. Could you anticipate this? Yeah, but it does look like we are going to go up. This is a clear double bottom. So yeah, let's wait and see. Clear breakout we want to see. Yeah, bearish case scenario would be coming all the way back down to retest it as a triple double bottom. As a triple the bottom, sorry. Bearish case scenario would be coming back down to 5 cents. I don't think that would be the case though for Harmony. Maybe consolidation and then look up, I think is the most likely. BTC drop but alts remain steady. Yeah, the BTC drops but alts remain steady. Bitcoin dominance, I think we should be seeing the Bitcoin dominance drop in here in the next coming days. It would be ideal. It does look like that this is going to happen. Let's wait and see. Is Bitcoin finally going to drop? Still don't know. On the 15-minute chart, it would be nice breaking this wick to the downside. Technically, we should be coming to about 44,200. That would be the measured move from this symmetrical triangle. But the trend is pretty strong, guys. This trend is pretty strong. We are getting supported from this peak over here. Yeah, I would be a little bit cautious on shorting this. We have this over here, just about touching it. This could easily be a fake out. Stay super cautious with this. ETC, yeah, I've taken a look at ETC already. ETC has been checked. Okay, let's just do a quick analysis. There's a very big bullish projection for ETC. If we successfully break $62 on ETC, a nice cool breakout, there is a massive double bottom scenario that could play out here for ETC. The trend is very much reversing here. There's a double bottom with a higher second bottom. So yeah, looking very bullish. If we successfully break $62, we can have a nice major leg up to $80 range. ETC can be traded on Bybit. I think I will be trading this on Bybit for sure. You know the deal. You got an amazing bonus in the description. Vet, please. Yeah, let's take a look at Vet. Andy, can you look at Harmony? I've taken a look at Harmony already. Wyckoff accumulation, says Revanth. Yes, for sure. I have some ICP, take out profit or keep it long. I think if you're bullish on the project, I mean, the charts are looking pretty good. It does look like that it is, you know, finally finished that kind of accumulation zone and we'll be having some legs to the upside. If you're bullish on ICP, I would say hold. The charts don't look that bad. Let's take a look at Vechain. And this is going to be one of the last cryptocurrencies, guys. I will be heading off very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. I had over 1,000 people watching on Sunday, the live stream. It was absolutely insane. And now it's just stable at about $100. Let's take a look at Vechain, because you know the deal on Vechain. Same scenario, guys. A lot of the altcoins are doing the same thing. Double bottom scenario, breaking out major resistance. I talked about the 0.095 cents. If we manage to break out successfully, yeah, a bounce from this range. I don't think that we'll be coming below 9 cents for Vechain. We've broken major structure. This double bottom should take us all the way up to the below 13 cents, the 12.5 cents. So now taking a look at the 1 hourly here for Vechain. Yeah, we might see, yeah, nothing too special, just consolidation, maybe a pullback. I think that the 9 cent level, 0.095, is going to hold very nicely for Vechain before hitting, you know, the 12.5 cents. Right here, Rutik says, I am not able to chart of BTC of 2013 on TradingView. Please check on your platform. Right, 2013, you need to go to Bitstamp or you need to go to Brave New Coin. Rutik, okay, check out here Bitstamp. Okay, Bitstamp does have data from 2013, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, we got 2012, we got 2013 here also. So yeah, you need to check out the Bitstamp, okay, exchange. There is data of 2012, but if you want to take a look at the entire chart, you need to go to the Brave New Coin, okay, on TradingView. This will give you the entire history, okay, since Bitcoin was selling, okay, at in 2011, yeah, 2010. This will give you the data when Bitcoin was starting to trade. You have a few cents Bitcoin here. So Brave New Coin if you want to check that out. Rutik, okay. Emre, hola, I am right now finished my work. Now I enjoy your stream. Thank you, Emre. Right, Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Hey bro, how are you? Thanks for your video always. Do you think BTC 1 hour is a diamond pattern? Let's take a look at BTC on the 1 hourly chart to see if we find we can see a diamond pattern, diamond top pattern on the 1 hourly for BTC. No, I don't think so. Yeah. No, it's not looking like a diamond top, because it would be something like this, like this. Yeah, it's not there. Yeah, it's not. It's almost though. There was something there. Andy, Coti, please. Yeah, right. Let's take a look at Coti. Is the bill dumping price? Andy, could you read the chart on Theta, please? Yeah, I've taken a look at Theta already at the just about 10-20 minutes from the stream. TLM. Okay, let's take a look at Doge and TLM. Okay, those are going to be the last cryptocurrencies for today, guys. And thank you very much for joining in. Wow. Dogecoin did have a pretty decent run to the upside. You know the deal for me on Dogecoin. We did have this lower high resistance. Okay. Lower high resistance here on Dogecoin. And we finally broke it. So we had this major run up. Now, are we creating a symmetrical triangle here on Dogecoin? Let's take a look at the 1 hourly, because we can clearly see that the volume is to the upside. Now let's see here. So potentially, yeah, I wouldn't trust this too much. We haven't got too many bouncers here at the support range, but yeah, it might be. Pay attention on this, because this could have a decent leg up or down. Technical move from this would be getting the back here of this symmetrical triangle leg up maybe to 30 cents, leg down maybe to back down to 20-cent level. But yeah, be careful, be cautious with fake outs. Look at Dogecoin. It is such a volatile crypto. I don't trade Dogecoin, even though it's on Bybit. I just don't trade it. I've taken a look at BNB already. ICX. Yeah, guys, this is going to be the last cryptos. Thank you very much for joining the live stream. I will be seeing you very, very soon. Tomorrow, also, update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. As always, also a live stream potentially at 3-4 o'clock Central European time. ICX, very similar scenario as a lot of the cryptos. Double bottom scenario here. Perfect double bottom right there. Resistance, breaking out here, consolidating, finally breaking out, getting a bounce. Yeah, ICX currently at $1.09. The $1 range, 98 cents, 95 cents level. $1.95 should be holding nicely, and we should be successfully having a leg up to $1.28 approximately. This is the measured move from this double bottom scenario. Guys, thank you very much for joining in. Check out, if you're interested in trading Bybit, you got an insane bonus if you use my link in the description. PrimeXbt, you get also 50% added to your deposit. The tutorials are down in the description. You also have the Bitcoin Sensors website down below, totally free. Technical analysis, the latest news, and you have exchange reviews here also. You can check out the different exchanges, leverage trading exchanges also, but normal spot exchanges here to find out where the best fees are, the best bonuses that you can get. So check it out, totally free information down below in the description, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you